the account successfully registered. Yes, and the verification has been sent to the email address and phone number you used to register. This link will be valid for the 48 hours. You can still be able to log in and proceed with your application. The verification can be carried down later. If you do not see the email in your inbox, kindly check the spam folder. But let me check on my email address. So this is my email. You check if you received yes or the email received, and we must
Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.
Hello, welcome back to Ubalde official. Today we are going to study how to apply in University of Nairobi, located in the capital city of Kenya, called Nairobi. University of Nairobi is a university which is located in Kenya, and we have 6 colleges across 7 campuses in Kenya. So today I'm going to show you step by step from scratch how to apply in University of Kenya, full complete from registering, creating account up to submission. So here it is the guideline from the University of Nairobi website that guide every student how to apply. So but here I have a summary for how to apply, and I'm going to show you all steps here. Let me recap on the whole process, and then we will start later. So the University of Nairobi online application are there. The step 1 is to prepare before applying. Ensure you meet the admission requirement and they complete your own application. No agent allowed, and the proper correct personal email and postal address and the next of kin contact, gather or scanned supporting documents in a PDF and be ready to pay application fees. So the special guidelines for applicants with foreign qualification. For those foreign international students, a secondary and high school certificate must be evaluated by Kenya National Examination Council or NIC. Email is a leg academic at University of Nairobi.ac.ke with your certificate and application reference to request evaluation. Diplomas and university degrees must be evaluated by Commission for University Education, and also email requested the email in that to request evaluation. The step 3 is that applicants with disability must be disclose disability status in the online system portal, but it is optional, but it is recommended for support. So the step by step for the application is to access this portal. You go on this application portal www.nbi.ac.ke and then create personal account. Then you must log in and accept. You must create and accept terms and then activate the account via email. Then after profile management, and then you complete a personal details, upload, scan the certificate, transcript and passport photo. Profile data is saved even if not completed in one section. Program selection, you choose what you are applying, and payment of application fees you use M-PESA. Use a business number or reference number and amount and PIN. Visa cards, intercard number, expiration and CVV, and pay direct bank payment. You should also use a KSB via this account number of University of Nairobi Then application submission, click verify and apply, no further edit after a submission. So you will receive an SMS or email with reference number and further instruction. So the post submission, you can tracking your application via login portal to check progress and download the admission letter for joining instruction. So change of courses, you must write the academic register if you do not criteria or wishes to change courses. So let's start from scratch. You can use the link I pinned in the comment, but also we are going to start from scratch. Yes, open your web browser and type University of Nairobi. University of Nairobi. Yes, then search. You will see the main platform. You come here. Here it is the application, and then make sure that you use official link or use my pinned link in the comment. Then you see there are many programs, Bachelor of Science, Medical Laboratory Science, many things. So come here and you see the requirement, and then you should also click here to register. After clicking on register, they ask you first name. First name, Ubalde official, for example, Ubalde official, middle name and first name, and then you choose phone number. If it is a Kenya, you should also Kenya, or you choose a phone number of country code. Country code, put of Rwanda. I'm on Rwanda. I'm helping Kenyan, but I'm Rwandan as my purpose to help African, even the world, to show them how to apply in every university. So, and put a phone number like this, then email address, password. You create your own in order to remember it. Yes, and also confirm it. Then after, and you must put cases, lowercase and uppercase. Then you click on I agree and register. Then you click on registration. Now we have created or registered an account, and then remember to save your password. The account successfully registered. Yes, and the verification has been sent you the email address and phone number you used to register. This link will be valid for the 48 hours. You can still be able to log in and proceed with your application. The verification can be called done later. If you do not see the email in your inbox, kindly check the spam folder. But let me check on my email address. So this is my email. You check if you received this or the email received, and we must open it. Yes, then you click here. This is the please visit URL to activate. Means you are going to activate our password and set our account and set our new password. If you cannot click, you should also click this, but click here and then click thank you for registering and activating your account. You may now log in to begin the application. Click on continue. After click on continue, then what you do now, you click on login. After login, wait, but here you should see the okay. Now we have been logged in, means that we have been created account and logged in. Yes, now the next step is this is my dashboard. This is the application tutorial. Should download it. Yes, but you should update your profile. Here, that is your profile. Yes, you should come here step 2 to change, to select the country. You come here and select the country. Yes, yeah, name, date, birth date, nationality, marital status, and then click on next. And also here you must fill it here, for example, just for the finish, and then select your country, the single, yes, single, for instance, national ID, and then click on save details, and then gender, where gender is gender, and profile picture. You should upload the profile. You upload the profile picture, and that's for we are teaching. I'm showing you how to apply. It is not my real. Yes. Then go to the gender. I think gender. Then what the long. Click on next. And upload is also upload. Insert the picture. Okay. Let me upload my profile picture. My profile picture. Yes, profile picture. Then profile picture uploaded. Then click on next. What missing? What the thing is missing? Is a female or male? Yes, the gender cannot be blank. Then you click on next, and yes, you click next. Then after next, with education background, here what you upload, you choose your day. If you study in Kenya or others, you choose your institution, and here you choose your education system, education you choose, and then put the institution name, and choose the course what you started, and then you put your index number, and then you add the score added, and you add the name of certificate, and then you should upload it. Then after upload it, you click on next. Missing education information, here is what is the missing. You should make sure that year from what year is. Okay. Course certificates. Okay. Yeah, now that is the missing. Then you click on save, and then you click on next. After click on next, work experience, if you have it, you should do destination, put and the year, put here, and then here, then click on save your experience, and then click on next. After click on next, your contact information, you will put your phone or mobile number, and then you put your, this is my Rwandan, I'm not Kenyan, and then put a postal code, and then save primary contact, and then click on next. Yes, missing contact information, where the missing contact information are personal next card. Yes, on the next of king, you add the information, name, and add the phone number. That Rwandan, yes, Rwandan. Yes, phone number, you put the phone number also, and then you add the postal code and save your then reference contact also you add it and the phone number, add it, then you save, and the emergent contact are also add it, and the phone number with postal code, save your contact information. Then after to put your all things, you must come here to the next program. You select the program, you click here and select a program. These are the program are there. There is an application for the diploma programs, undergraduate, bachelor's, or master, postgraduate, and there are many things. Let me choose and click on the here to apply to for undergraduate. For undergraduate, they are the December for the 2026 intake. Apply for this intake. There is a many programs. If you to come here for apply for admission, or also as I did here, if it is undergraduate, and then click for the apply intake for the August 17, 2026 or August 2024. 24 August 2026. These are two intakes. I can apply here, click here, apply, and then this is the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, and then click here to for apply for program, and then click here and apply for this code, and then this is the intake. This is the program type of bachelor degree. This is application fees in Kenya shilling 3,000, and this is main campuses, Nairobi campuses, and then proceed with payment. You click here, apply. Do you want to apply and proceed the payment page? Yes, you click yes, and then you must choose the online application payment. You click here, review, and then what you should click here to pay, and click here to pay, and then load the page, and you wait a moment, and then this is a M-PESA link, the M-PESA link. Should choose where you can pay. If you choose equity, many Airtel money. This is Airtel money. If you choose here, you should they show you you should place 3 star 334 and what, and then you continue, and there are many things. These are checking if you have paid. So I think it is here. It is understandable where you can do those things, and no problem you can have. So for the application instruction are here. These are the instruction, and there you can upload your documents here. You upload your certificate, if A-level, advanced level certificate, if you upload it and save it. So I should finish this video and tell you, please, I appreciate your time, your support, and I wish you good day, happy, and God bless you. Bye bye. But remember to subscribe to my channel, and very happy. Bye bye. God bless you, and share with your friends.